Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're diving into the world of pure chocolate indulgence with a recipe that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Get ready for the ultimate decadence, triple chocolate fudge cake. Ingredients: cocoa powder, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, flour, and vanilla extract. Let's get started. In a large bowl, combine the cocoa powder, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate. Melt them together using a double boiler or microwave until smooth and glossy. In another bowl, cream together the unsalted butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Now, slowly pour the melted chocolate mixture into the butter and sugar mixture while stirring continuously. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Next, sift in the all-purpose flour and gently fold it into the batter. Be careful not to overmix, we want our cake to be light and tender. Grease a round cake pan with butter and pour the batter into it. Smooth out the top with a spatula. Pop your cake into a preheated oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cake cools, let's make our luscious chocolate ganache. In a saucepan, heat up some heavy cream until it starts to simmer. Pour the hot cream over the chopped milk chocolate and let it sit for a minute to allow the chocolate to melt. Then, whisk it all together until smooth and shiny. Now, it's time for the grand finale. Pour the silky chocolate ganache generously over the cooled cake, allowing it to cascade down the sides. And there you have it, foodies. The ultimate decadence, triple chocolate fudge cake. Moist, rich,